Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And as the Build conference is closing down for 2024 today, one of the things that is interesting is to see that obviously Microsoft is going all in into AI and Windows with AI. And one of the interesting aspects of this is how Microsoft is pushing it ahead as a revolution, as a game changer. And one of the things that happened in the opening keynote, Satya Nadella referenced Windows 95. And why? Because if you were there back in the day, yes, there was a time where people were lining up to get their copy of Windows 95 at midnight when the stores opened just for the event. Something that is pretty amazing when you think about it. It was a revolution for Windows. And now we're realizing that with their new technologies, the AI push, and now pushing ARM and pushing in so many directions, it almost seems like they want to create a new revolution. Say, look, you know what? We're different. We're moving ahead with so many things. And who is excited and not excited? And I guess it's a question I'll ask you guys. Let's take apart the things that could be privacy or whatever, and just look at the overall picture. What do you think of that push, that very heavy push into AI in the future in Windows, and it's in Microsoft services too? I think it is a revolution. It's an interesting one. As a tech guy and a PC enthusiast, I am one of those that's very curious and kind of enthusiastic of that future. I want one of those PCs. I won't buy it this year because the budget isn't there. But in maybe 2025, I might have at some point have one of those and look into the future with that, and of course make for the purpose of making videos here, also showing some of the features there. I am kind of excited, but I think it's a big gamble at the same time for Microsoft. They're all in, and that all in means it better work and it better do things that help you out. It's easy to do a keynote and show examples of people saying, well, now what we did in 8 hours takes only 30 minutes thanks to Copilot, or, yeah, okay. But we'd like to, we want real world, situations that people are like, oh, well, you know what? It saved me tons of times because I did this and this and that. We're not talking about Copilot, that little thing we have now that is kind of more laughable than anything else as an AI representation. We're talking about powerful machines capable by themselves of dealing with tons of data in a very fast, performant way. When I just spoke this phrase, it made me think about one of the Terminator movies when it said that every computer in every dorm room in every house, everywhere, woke up and became part of the famous Skynet network that they have. For some it's scary. For a lot it's scary. I think we're in the unknown, and the imagination and the movies. Terminator is a great example. Give us like a vision of what apocalyptic future is that. But at the same time, it's extremely intriguing. And where are we, going next? What's PC and computing going to be in 5 years or 10 years from now? It's definitely a revolution, I think. Microsoft is playing big on it. So my question to you guys, is it exciting, or is it something that you don't want, or something that you're scared about because you don't know where it's going to lead? please comment below. Always, choose correct wording, please. There are unfortunately some comments that are good comments, but I can't leave them there because the bad language that goes in it, and I don't want to have bad language through the comments. So explain it in a healthy way for everybody, to a family safe way. We're going to call it like that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.